so the youth go down for them, man. I say, all the one blood clot PJ, all him, the one where him first started with the dance thing. Him, all of them a shit, them blood clot, bumbo clot pants, you see. Yeah, cause of somebody with them least expect, see. Then them a call up the name when I go and a guessing game, them depend, you know. But sometimes corruption I get fucked up from all different angles. Them a go chat and call because them a panic, so them a go say, oh, this is that, them a you get me, I say, a long time them a corruption, man. A long time them a corruption, man. So I say, maybe you know, my uncle is who him is. Maybe me that get sucked in a little bit more, but him just help out to come and foreign. Carry him on the road, bust him out, them go do them thing and that, and him stay so him know him keep the link. You get me, I say, and my auntie husband clear him blood clot, through Breeze, and Lorraine through my auntie and my uncle make theirs a rifle. If it wasn't for my uncle auntie, he would have know England, if you come here, come make a bag of money and this and that and turn idiot and corrupt the place. Eh? There wouldn't be no blood, nobody would have know about him. Remember, say somebody that I know from a little bit, you know, because when I there with my auntie friend, you know, when he done it, you know. Remember every day I used to come sit down on the step, you know, because I'm that mad over the neck pussy, you know. I think I know everything. Yeah. Them I come bumbo clot, jump up and I come to somebody could jank or worm them. Father, Fowl, father, this, father, that. Like them know anything, what them know about this. And you call me as a big man and myself, Fowl, bring in the youth. Want to do the right thing, bring in the youth them. Alright. When you don't know, say in your mind, you say, oh, that pussy, I come here, go do what me feel. Yeah. Yeah, man, go around the thing, see it there? Everybody I come jump up, then them come murder my little brother, put on top of it, add insult to injury. Fire no must burn them skin. Fire must burn them skin, brethren. You train it, Mr. True, me never talk, I never know about Oney. Oney are the nice good youth. Because Oney refuse them, and I say, oh, no, man, do nothing, man. I do my little project for myself. That's all, you know. And that's all blood, because the man refuse them, and I say, oh, no build nothing, man. Just like you see a man and then dash a Friday gone, build film thing and hold on pan the youth send him Chris fucking Range Rover go get brand new thing when nobody no put them rascal batty pan. You first put your batty pan the man see it. And when the thing them done and you say, so with my apartment, then one and the man give him the thing as a deposit. I say, alright, how much more I forget now and I get the key. Be a go around him and I'll drive the thing in the back of him car. Oh, me a man a bad man a wreck up on them too. And then corrupt. And then make corruption and money get to them head, brethren, because I feel him daughter alone. For that Jamaican do hip replacement and do body and breast and them alone for live them there Hollywood. You get to me, I say, coop on them too. Yo, me just there and you know see. All you have to do is just stay silent when the shit happen until you find what's happening, man. And the truth come out, it just come out and there's nothing nobody can do. Cause look, everybody that create excitement and him dead and gone and nobody even say nothing about him. Corruption. You get to me, I say, I can't believe that the man come to me on the phone and aside the man, he don't have me to take with him because I know the connection that me have a goalie. Yeah. And you see, God is always with me because he's a justified person. I tell him the truth. I say, just bring in the youth them because that's the only way that can avoid innocent blood check card to look innocent. You get to me, I say, so fire have to burn them soul from heaven, brethren. Them fuck off and go. Whole lot of them want to creep up from over there and carry over blood clot because we got tie rope on them, they can throw them off. That them want fucking set up up on the place down there. Eh? Man, them a fire shot off a pitney, brethren. When that ever happen in a Catburn pen, then imagine if that had in our time. Can you imagine how that would have mad every day, man, that depend them every day. We couldn't stop, not in Babylon could have stopped it. But shut off a pitney where I play blood, innocent pitney. The man them gone mad rasta. Man, I hear so the youth go down for them, man. I say, all